Hello everyone, let's do some interesting plating presentation and decorations in our video today. So I'm cutting a dragon fruit and making into a flower petals, taking a kiwi and cut them into very tiny slices and place over the dragon fruit, and then take a cherry and place over the kiwi, and then take a cuttings of the fruit and fold them into very tiny pieces and then place over the decoration of the plate. Then again I'm taking a dragon fruit and then placing over it, and take a kiwi and then place the kiwi onto the dragon fruit, and here a different types of plating decorations is being done using fruits. And then here are the decorations that are being shown, how to cut the fruits into tiny pieces and how can we make the flowers is being shown in the video. Peel the vegetable into a longer slices and then place them in a rotate them into longer pieces and cut them into two equal arcs and place over the plate into one by one into a petal shape, and then place a cherry onto it above the fruit and cut into very tiny pieces and fold them and keep a paper plating presentation, spread them and place over the plate. So take an apple and then cut the apple into tiny pieces like a bird decoration. Using an apple we do a bird decoration. So let's show by how the slices has been cut is being shown in a apple fruit. So here is the way that a fruit is being cut and spread them and make a feathers and place them. Now I need to make a face of a bird. So it has been cut into two equal arcs and place the bird and place into the bird and stick onto the apple, and use a vegetable cutting and place the eyes, nose, and use an orange slices and place over it and make a flower petal. So let's take orange or apple, cut them into bird feathers and place it one by one. Same way as it follows, cut them slowly and spread them, place over the plate. So like this it is being followed. So it makes like a star, and then take an orange pieces and place over the plate one by one and place the cherry. So cut another cucumber vegetable and cut them into very tiny pieces and fold them and spread them and place over the plate one by one. So next I'm taking another fruit, cut them into very tiny pieces like into a V shape. A V shape is being cut into tiny pieces, place over the plate and make it a circle and put a cherry onto it. Thank you.